Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. Hope you all are doing great. So finding a job opportunity in 2023 is actually a tough task because due to this COVID situation, when the cases are increasing again, during this recession time when many people are losing their jobs, finding job opportunity, especially for freshers, is a tough task. So how to find a job opportunity without paying any money or without, any financial burden. So in today's video, we are going to see about a platform which will train you, which will help you in upskilling yourself in the web development area, which we know is a area which is having a lot of demand nowadays, and help you in landing on a job which is minimum 5 lakhs per annum to 40 lakhs per annum. And the best part is that you don't pay any registration fees here. You don't have to pay any fees until and unless you get placed on a 5 lakh per annum job. So we are going to see about Function Up. We have seen about this in previous videos also, and many people are finding it very useful. So we are going to see all details about this platform, which is Function Up. So if you are looking for a job desperately, and if you want to get placed very soon, so please watch this video completely till the end without skipping. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So are you a recent graduate who is looking for a job desperately, and if you are belonging to 2019, 2020, 21 or 22 year of pass out, then this video is for you guys. So we are going to see about Function Up. So Function Up will help you in getting trained, or it will upskill you, or it is an upskilling platform which runs on the web development area. Means it upskill yourself or upskill you in web development area through a boot camp. So they runs a boot camp which is on the web development area, and it trains candidates exclusively through various skills, and it mainly focus on HTML, CSS, MERN stack, JavaScript, cloud computing, caching, etc. Okay, so these areas which are related to web development, they will help you in getting trained. And the main part is that you will also get a certificate after the training. Okay, so this boot camp, which is conducted by Function Up, it is a part of National Skill Development Corporation. So this boot camp, which is conducted by Function Up, it is approved by NSDC, that is National Skill Development Corporation. So this boot camp follows the curriculum of this NSDC, and after this 4-month training, so the training is going to be 4 months. After the 4-month training, you will be getting a valid certificate which is approved by NSDC. Okay, so this certificate is a valid certificate. After the training, you are going to get a certificate saying that you are getting trained, or you have got trained in this area. Okay, the main attraction is that the curriculum is designed by professionals from IIT, means who have passed out from IIT in collaboration with the industry experts who are having previous work experience with big companies like Flipkart, Meesho, Paytm, etc. Okay, so industry experts in collaboration with the IIT pass out people. So the collaboration or the curriculum which they are going to design is really good, and we know that it will surely help you in landing on a job. And the main attraction, so whenever we are doing a training or whenever we are studying something, the final aim or our final goal is to get placed, right? So here that is being assured. There is 100% placement assistance. So here there is 100% placement assistance, and the salary also you are going to get is very attractive. 5 lakhs up to 40 lakhs per annum is the salary that they are offering, and there is zero registration fees, as I've told in the beginning of the video. You're not going to pay any money unless and until you land on a minimum 5 lakh per annum job, and there is no hidden charges and no upfront payment. Okay, so the payment starts only after you landing on a 5 lakh per annum job. And one more thing is that in order to promote women candidates, they are giving a scholarship. That is 50% scholarship is given to women candidates. So there will be a reduction in the fees, 50% to the women candidates. So this is an initiative taken to promote women candidates more, especially in the tech field. Okay. Now, what are the core offerings of this bootcamp by Function Up? Let's have a look. So There is 100% placement assurance for every candidate who is successfully completing the cohort. So the bootcamp or the cohort for 4 months, if you are completing successfully, there is 100% placement assurance. This is not assistance, it is assurance. And also there is an assured tech job, and you pay only after you earn minimum 5 lakh per annum. There is possibility for getting placed in USA, UK and Singapore based companies. Top coding jobs you will be getting. You will be getting mentorship or mentors from top colleges like IIT, and 1:1 support you will be getting. There is a lifetime alumni support. Even after you get placed, if you want to further switch after getting the first job, if you want to have a switch in your job, again you can ask your mentors. Okay, so lifetime alumni support is there, and 50% total fees reduction for women candidate. And also you can be a part of top coders community by joining Functional. So these are the core offerings by Functional. So it is very much useful. And one more thing, a lot of people was asking this doubt that if you are getting trained for 4 months, and after the training, if you get placed through some other platforms, again you are going to pay the fees here, because only because of the training you are able to get placed, right? So you are going to pay the fees. Anyway, you will be getting the training certificate as well. Okay. So it is a very exciting news for especially freshers, because initially when we are looking for jobs and if you want to get trained, the first thing is financial burden. Okay. First thing you are going to do when you are going to join any course or anything is, first you're going to pay the fees. But here you are not going to pay the fees unless and until you start earning. So that is a main attraction of this platform. Okay. Now let us talk about the last batch or the last cohort of Functional platform. So there was 100% placement achieved for the last batch. The average package they got is 11 lakh per annum. So 11 lakh is a very good package. The highest package it is got by J Sardar. It is 24 lakh per annum. The second highest package is 18.5 lakh per annum by Mayank got this package. 40% of the batch got placed in US and Singapore based company. So if you are getting placed in a US Singapore based company, so it is very sure that on-site opportunities you can get in future. So a lot of people are looking for these kind of things when they are joining a company. Their aim is, or their future they are seeing is they are requiring any on-site opportunities or things like that. Okay, so here you can get placed in USA, UK or Singapore based companies. So on-site opportunities will be there for sure. Now we are going to talk about some success stories through Functional platform. The first one is Aman Kumar. So he bagged 5 developer offers with the help of expert training and guidance from industry experts working at Microsoft, Goldman Sachs, Paytm. And during the bootcamp, Aman was trained on real-world projects that he would be facing in the corporate world. So expert mentorship at Functional helped Aman in bagging a freelancing project during the boot camp. So he got a freelancing project, freelancing job. So expert mentorship at Function helped Aman bag a freelancing project during the boot camp of Function. Okay. So that is the first success story. The next one is Farina Ibrahim. During her intense training in advanced backend development, she worked on blogging projects like Medium, college site applications. So here the main attraction is that you will work on real life projects. Okay. Next one, which is Jay Sardar. During the 4 month of training, he interacted with top coders from across the country, working in the companies like Microsoft, MongoDB, Samsung, Flipkart, etc. And there were live QA sessions, regular feedbacks, and hands-on experience on industry-grade projects. So this resulted him in bagging higher package than all the other batchmates at IIT Guwahati. Okay, so he is one of the alumni who got very good packages. Next one is Samir SM. So some students after the graduation, they want to get placed, but they are having these type of financial problems. So if you are also facing some financial problems in paying fees to any courses which you want to do, that type of financial burdens is eliminated to a amount with the help of these type of platforms. Okay, so FunctionUp's zero upfront cost has eliminated the financial burden on Samir. At FunctionUp, Samir was able to get trained on advanced technologies by expert mentors working at top tech companies and IIT alumni. Okay, so with the help of this zero upfront cost and zero registration fees, Samir SM was able to eliminate the financial burden. Okay, so these are some success stories about persons who got placed with good packages through FunctionUp's bootcamp. Now, let us have a look on the admission process. What you have to do here is, in order to apply for admission, you have to register your phone number. So, I'll be putting a link in the description. Just click on the link and you have to apply for admission by putting your phone number, by registering using your phone number. Then the next step is fill basic details about yourself. The third step is fill out educational details, attempt entrance exam. So since there is no registration fees, there will be an entrance exam. Crack the admission interview after the exam and then complete the basic programming course. So this is the admission process. Now the next thing, let us talk about the payment or the fees of. Now let us talk about the fee structure of FunctionUp platform. How you are going to pay the fees after you land on a minimum 5 lakh per annum job. How it is going to be. That is what is the fee structure we are going to see. So here the payment or the fees you have to pay only after you land on a minimum 5 lakh per annum job. Okay, so pay zero tuition fees until you get a high paying job, that is minimum 5 lakh per annum. And one more thing is that the payment here is 17% of your first month salary. So whatever payment or whatever salary you are going to get on the first month, the 17% of it you are going to pay for a period of 36 months. You can see all the details now on the screen. And one more thing, an attractive news for the women candidate, 50% of scholarship is given to the female candidates. Okay, so this is the fee structure. And one more thing, people from the final years or from the recent batches like 2019, 20, 21 and 22. So in the beginning I have told that people from 2019, 20, 21 and 22 batches are eligible. One more thing, also final years are eligible for this. Okay, so final years and recent graduates are eligible for this boot camp. So if you are a hardworking student, if you are able to crack the test of FunctionUp, then you will definitely get a chance to do the boot camp or be a part of the cohort of FunctionUp and get trained in web development various areas, and you will get a valid training certificate, and finally you will land on a very high paying job. Okay, so please make use of this platform. The link you can find in description. It is very much beneficial for people if you are finding some financial problems and things like that. So if you are having any other doubts than this, other than this, you can always comment on the comment section and ask me. Okay, so just go to the link in description and please apply for this bootcamp by FunctionUp. That's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the content useful. If yes, please like the video. You can share the video with your friends. You can tell them to subscribe. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.